In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter Google Analytics Tracking ID to your Squarespace website. By the end of this walkthrough, your site will be connected to Google Analytics using your tracking ID, so you can start collecting insights about your visitors and how they interact with your pages. Make sure you're signed in to your Squarespace site and that you have your Google Analytics Tracking ID handy from your Analytics account. First, look to the bottom left corner of your Squarespace dashboard. You'll see a small gear icon. This icon opens up the area where you can access site-wide settings that aren't tied to a single page. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the Settings panel. Inside the settings, find and open Developer Tools. This section is where Squarespace exposes options for connecting external services and adding advanced functionality. You don't need to write any code here. We're just using it as the gateway to the place where your Google Analytics information belongs. Within Developer Tools, select External API Keys. Think of this as the central hub where you place trusted IDs and tokens for third-party tools. Squarespace keeps these connection points in one place to make integrations more reliable and easier to manage down the road. Now you'll see a text field where you can paste your Google Analytics Tracking ID to enable it for your site. Copy your tracking ID from your Google Analytics account and paste it into that field. Make sure you include the entire ID and avoid any extra spaces before or after it. If you manage multiple properties in Analytics, double-check you're using the ID for the correct property that matches your Squarespace site's domain. That's all. Once the ID is in place, Squarespace will handle the connection on the back end, and your site will begin sending data to your Google Analytics property. Data in Analytics isn't always instant. Allow some time for initial activity to appear. If your site is brand new or has low traffic, you might see data trickle in gradually as visitors land on your pages. A quick tip: if you ever change properties in Google Analytics or reorganize your accounts, remember that this is the exact spot where you'll update the tracking ID for Squarespace. Keeping your records labeled clearly in Analytics will help you avoid mixing up properties later. With that, your Squarespace site is connected to Google Analytics using your tracking ID. You're ready to explore reports, understand your audience, and make informed decisions based on real data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.